If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile steamer pot that can handle everything from tamales and seafood boils to vegetables and more, this ARC 32-quart stainless steel tamale steamer pot is a must-have addition to your kitchen. This premium 8-gallon steamer is designed to deliver superior cooking performance, with features that make it perfect for both everyday cooking and special occasions. In this review, we'll walk you through all the amazing features that make the ARC 32-quart steamer pot stand out from other steamer pots on the market. Whether you're cooking for a small family or a large gathering, this pot has everything you need to steam, boil, and prepare your favorite dishes. Key features of the ARC 32-quart stainless steel tamale steamer pot. Number 1. Premium stainless steel construction. One of the standout features of the ARC 32-quart steamer pot is its multiply construction, made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel. This material not only provides durability and longevity, but also makes the pot easy to clean after cooking. Unlike aluminum, which can scratch and degrade over time, stainless steel is resistant to corrosion, stains, and odors, ensuring that your pot will stay looking brand new for years to come. Number 2. Easy fill water spout for convenience. One of the most convenient features of the ARC 32-quart tamale steamer pot is its easy fill water spout. This innovative design allows you to add more water without needing to open the lid, which is perfect for preventing steam burns and reducing heat loss. Whether you're cooking tamales or seafood, this spout lets you maintain the proper water level and steam without interrupting the cooking process. No more steam burns. The spout lets you add water easily without opening the lid and exposing yourself to the hot steam. Keeps food's nutrients and flavor intact. By limiting the evaporation of water, the spout helps to preserve the food's natural flavors and nutrients. Number 3. Detachable Divider and Steamer Rack for multitasking. Another standout feature of the ARC 32-quart steamer pot is the Detachable Divider and Steamer Rack. This allows you to cook up to 3 types of food at once, saving you time and energy. Whether you're making a big batch of tamales, boiling crab, or steaming vegetables, this steamer pot has enough room to cook everything together without mixing flavors. Number 4. Multiple size options to fit your needs. The ARC Tamale steamer pot is available in 5 different sizes, making it easy to choose the perfect one for your cooking needs. Whether you're cooking for a small family or hosting a large gathering, there's a size that will work for you. Number 5. Versatility for different cooking methods. The ARC 32-quart stainless steel tamale steamer pot isn't just a tamale steamer. It's an all-purpose cooking tool. While it's perfect for steaming tamales, it can also be used to boil seafood, steam vegetables, cook soups, and even fry food. Whether you're steaming fresh vegetables, preparing a seafood feast, or boiling pasta, this steamer pot has you covered. Number 6. Compatibility with gas and electric stoves. The ARC 32-quart steamer pot is compatible with gas and electric stoves, making it a versatile option for most home kitchens. However, it is not compatible with induction stovetops, so if you have an induction stove, you'll need to look for an alternative. For traditional stovetops, this steamer pot works beautifully and provides even heat distribution for excellent cooking results. Number 7. Easy to store and maintain. Despite its large size, the ARC 32-quart tamale steamer pot is designed to be easy to store. Its stainless steel construction ensures that it's sturdy yet manageable, and its simple design makes it easy to maintain. The detachable divider and removable steamer rack also make it easier to clean, and they allow for easy storage when not in use. Why you should buy the ARC 32-quart stainless steel tamale steamer pot? If you're in the market for a high-quality, versatile, and durable steamer pot, the ARC 32-quart stainless steel tamale steamer pot is the perfect choice. With its premium stainless steel construction, easy fill water spout, detachable divider, and multi-food cooking capabilities, this pot is perfect for family meals, large gatherings, or seafood boils. Whether you're preparing tamales, steaming vegetables, or boiling a large batch of crab, this pot can handle it all. The 32-quart size offers plenty of room to cook large quantities of food, and the convenient design makes it easy to maintain and store. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.